It's been a long time since I'm not making a video, so decided to do something. So আজকে আমরা একটা মজার কাজ করব. So this is an iPad, and what we're going to do is to put it here somewhere, and এইটার মাধ্যমে আমরা আমাদের মাল্টিমিডিয়া সিস্টেমটাকে আপগ্রেড করব. We need few things. This is an old one that I'm still using. This is a magnetic holder, and we need a magic tape for this purpose. This tape is like both-sided tape. It has glue in both of the sides, and we need a scissor, and most importantly we need an iPad with these two metal plates that helps to stick this thing with that. So here we go. All we have to do is to now put the iPad here. There you go. We have an iPad installed in the car. All we have to do is to power it on now. See, this is turning on. It will take some time. Because it has not been charged for a long time. Well, so it's like it's night. What happened? So as you saw that we installed the iPad on that magnetic plate. You can just easily remove this and fidget with your buttons, but I have kept all the main buttons of AC control open so that the buttons I need all the time, it's all within my reach. এই আইপ্যাডটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট জেনারেশনের একটা আইপ্যাড. এটা আমার এখন আমি একটা অ্যান্ড্রয়েড প্লেয়ার লাগাতে পারতাম, which would have cost me about 10 to 12,000 টাকা. I'm not sure, maybe more. But since this iPad was lying around, এটার কোনো ব্যবহারই ছিল না আমার. অনেক পুরানো আইপ্যাড এবং এটা শুধু ভিডিও স্ট্রিম করতে পারে, ম্যাপস করতে পারে, খুব একটা স্লো হয়ে গেছে. So this is perfect for my head unit. It has internet, it has GPS, so everything sorted, and the screen is amazing. Okay, let's see this. Right, let's have a look at this thing. Before that, let me park the car somewhere so that I don't bump into anybody. It's very late in the night, but still, let's do this in a safer place. So this is the iPad, and you can play music. So since I might get copyright, let me listen to the songs from. Let's listen to a song by my brother so that there is no copyright. Basically, that was it. That was the iPad thingy. You can do maps and stuff. You basically have everything here. Netflix and all, Spotify, Lite. Basically, that's it. You can have the iPad here. Do anything that you want to do with that. You read emails even sometimes. You have calendars. This is an upgraded version of any Android Auto or CarPlay system. So, and it's very cheap to install. All you need is like this $2 or 200 taka worth of magnetic mobile holders. 2 of those, take it on. And the best part is that this magic tape does not damage anything on the car. This is completely safe. It will not chip the paint or anything. So there you go, a cheap fix for a Tesla look in your car. You have a Tesla now. There you go.